What is life insurance? Life insurance is one of the most valuable purchases you'll ever make. Just as we buy car insurance or home insurance to protect us from the consequences of damage to or loss of an asset, we have life insurance to protect against the financial consequences that can result from our own deaths. The loss of income resulting from the death of the family's primary income earner can have compounding effects on financial dependents. For example, surviving dependents may struggle to maintain their former lifestyle. There may not be money to pay for college fees, and outstanding mortgage payments still need to be paid. All of this can create stress and fear on top of the financial pressure faced by the deceased dependents. The essence of life insurance is an agreement between the insured person and the insurance provider. The insured person pays premiums to the insurance company, and in return, the insurer will pay out a benefit if the insured person passes away while the policy is active. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.